Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 20th of October 2024. I'll be going over my weekly review of the SPY front testing strategy based on the day's open and previous day's close. So without further ado, on the 14th we had a buy signal where we would have made a profit of $5,493.2 or 0.53%, positive 0.53%. Now, the next day on the 15th we had a buy signal again where we would have made a huge loss of $8,518.51 or 0.822% in loss. The next day on the 16th we wouldn't have had a trade. On the 17th we would have had another buy signal, a loss of $6,240.68 or 0.608%, and another buy signal where we would have made a profit of $908.44 or 0.087%. Our cumulative portfolio return went from 3.542% to 2.729%, and our alpha went from minus 12.635% to minus 14.317%. Very negative numbers. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.